Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, more than 50% of Chinese workers contracted to build the country's first children and adolescent hospital in St. James have left the country. And so, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says citizens should brace for further delays in the completion of the project.
Dr. Tufton was speaking with journalists at a press briefing held at the S Hotel in the parish on Thursday. Kimberly Petty reports.
The announcement of the delay in the completion of the Western Children and Adolescent Hospital came on the heels of a protest by Chinese workers at the hospital site 3 weeks ago. TVJ News understands that their employer based in China did not pay them for a period of 6 months. The Western Children Hospital was a gift courtesy of the government of China. The project is aimed at building a 220-bed facility on the compound of the Cornwall Regional Hospital to provide medical services for children.
There are challenges there. Now, the first challenge is that we don't have control over the facility, except that we have a project manager through the Urban Development Corporation that is providing that level of oversight.
Dr. Tufton told journalists that the project is a partnership between Jamaica and the Chinese government.
There have been some issues which you know about. Those issues have been suspended, but we are concerned about some of the pace of the work and what the impact of those issues will mean in terms of delays.
Dr. Tufton further noted that despite the setbacks, he remains hopeful and that
we are still encouraged, pushing for a timeline that's will give us the results sooner rather than later, and we'll continue to work with our partners in China and the contractor to try and catch up on any delays from what has transpired in the recent weeks.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.